give you a menu on the back of the bag.
Oh,
Because
really?
they know you're gonna come back.
Trudeau. Got the goods. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta find
Let's
somewhere to eat.
We secured the goods. We arrived literally an hour ago and now we have Frog Burger. How's my mango gelato, Jerome?
Pretty good.
So rude.
I'm so glad that I told you to get this.
I was like, do you want extra gelato? I'm getting one. And then he's all like, nah, it's too cold for that. And then he literally comes into the gelato shop and he's like, oh, what'd you get? And I was like, oh, mango. He's like, oh, cool. And then he takes a lick and I'm like, okay, yeah. And then I hand it to him so I can take a photo and now he's just eating it all.
That's crazy. That's wild.
Typical.
There's the bench over there.
Oh yeah, let's go near the lights.
Yeah, that's not me.
Hell yeah! Mr. Ferg. What I look like today. We're at Queenstown today. It's our first full day here and we're just gonna get some breakfast and then I don't know. We'll see what we want to do.
Yeah, walk around.
We'll explore the city. I really want to go on the cable car again and show Jerome the views.
I would like to see the views.
It's nice weather today as well.
Yeah.
Like,
Not a lot of crowds.
I can just wear this thin-ish jacket and I don't feel hot nor cold. So it's good. Good weather. I think we're on our way to Ferg Bakery. Yeah, that's near the harbour. Ferg Bakery.
There's one.
Yeah. So we got a bacon and egg pie and we got the Ferg pie, which should just be
See if I can lift.
meat.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just-
that's the one.
just stick it.
That's the one. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So I got hot chocolate from Ferg Bakery and it's so darn good and I don't even like chocolate.
That's a kind of good photo.
It really is. Looks sponsored by my bag. Recommend. You ready to try?
Nice.
I think so. Is it still warm?
It's like a quiche.
A quiche?
For the scrambled eggs.
Okay, let me try. It does look like quiche. I wish I gave us tomato sauce.
You should have asked them.
I like that. Look at it. It does taste like a quiche. Okay.
You try your own first. Yeah.
This is just the Ferg pie, which has, I think it's beef, New Zealand beef. I didn't get anything yet.
Alright, second bite. The worst bite.
But it's just the flavor. I don't know how to describe it, wait. Oh, the pastry's so good, by the way. That's so good. Look at it.
Yeah, tastes good.
Look at it. I forgot what's in it, but that sauce. Good flavor.
I think it's like
Right here.
beef. Oh, nice.
It doesn't say what's in
It doesn't say. Never mind.
it. You try it, it's so good.
Interesting.
So good. We should have gotten another pie.
Not bad.
How do you find it? It's so good, right? I like it.
Well, go to breakfast tomorrow and get another different pies.
Wow, the line is so long. Yeah, you're looking down. Oh, yes.
This is okay, there you go.
Just close.
Let me just tighten this.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's
fast.
faster?
It's fast. Wow, look at the lake. Go straight away. I'm scared. How am I gonna skydive?
Hey, that's on
How
you.
am I gonna skydive?
That's, you're the one who's like, yeah, skydive. Oh,
Well, my hands are getting sweaty.
I
thinking
hate
about
the
it.
falling feeling, and that's what it is for like 10 minutes straight.
It's not for 10 years.
How long is a skydive for?
The free fall is like 45 seconds.
45
Which is
seconds.
pretty long.
45 seconds. You go. 45.
It's like the once in a lifetime opportunity.
Dude, I'm gonna be like 45, 44, 43, 42.
You won't even be thinking. You just be like,
I'm scared of heights, and this motherfucker right here wants me to do skydiving. Me? Man, I was born on the ground. I'll stay on the ground, man. God damn. Listen, we're probably gonna cut to me in the future being like, "Oh, skydiving is so good. It's so fun." But I'm very, you know what? I'm gonna try to just be like the entire time down and see how that works. Here we go. Look at the views, though. Look at the views. The views are really good, huh? This is my view.
I don't know, yellow?
Eggs?
It looks like maybe mango. Oh, it's banana. Your fave. But also, check out my new hat. I'm really digging it.
It's a good hat.
I think it just matches my outfit. That's why I really like it.
Ooh, now that's a viewing deck.
And we're going to the viewing deck now. I haven't been here in 3 years.
I haven't been here at all.
True. We're currently on the viewing deck at the Queenstown skyline. Go a bit to like that. Yeah. Are we going? Whoa. Thank you. Does this remind you of Cozy?
It really does, eh?
Oh, the views. Look at that. Going up the chairlift to do the luge. So we have 2 rides. So we have this one and then this one. What are you gonna do?
No, I just set the camera for us. I already took the photo, I'm pretty sure.
Hello, luge riders.
That's a luge if I've ever seen one.
Look at my shoes.
Look at my shoes.
So pretty. Okay, let's go. Heading down so we can do some paragliding. Oh yeah. This is so cool.
Baby, every day I wake up, I'm just trying to feel my feet, trying to feel anything. Then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find
Yeah, ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
won't you come on over later?
Here we go.
Smile. Time. Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
Please take your time and watch your step when you come in. Thank you.
Okay, let's just go here. Ooh. Chicken sandwich.
Chicken sando.
Got an
They're
apple.
called donuts.
A quiche. They gave us chocolate too. How cute. Triple chocolate chunk. Wow.
Is that a live feed?
I think so. From the top.
It does look like it's a live feed.
Ooh, this cheese. What is it?
Kind of like it.
I like it. Try it with me?
I'm gonna open it. It's not gonna be good. Hey, we should temper our expectations.